Hi, it's Mr. Logue. In this video, we're going to be looking at multiplying a mixed number by a whole number. There's an example here, 1 3/4 multiplied by 12. Just have a think about that calculation. 1 3/4, so that's 1. 1 times 12 would be 12. And then that will be 1 times 12, and 3/4 of 12 is our answer. So somewhere between 1 times 12 and 2 times 12. Let's have a look at our steps for the method we're going to be using. Step 1. Turn the mixed number into an improper fraction by multiplying the denominator by the whole number and adding it to the numerator. Our second step, we're going to turn the whole number into a fraction. The whole number will be the numerator and the denominator will be 1. Our third step, we're going to multiply the numerators together. After that, we're going to multiply the denominators together. Finally, if we've been asked to show the answer as a mixed number, we're going to divide the numerator by the denominator. Let's use those steps on this first calculation. So we have 1 3/4 multiplied by 12. Step 1, we're going to turn this mixed number into an improper fraction. We're going to multiply the denominator by the whole number. 4 times 1 is 4. I'm going to add it to the numerator. 4 plus 3 is 7. So now our equation reads 7/4 multiplied by 12. Our next step is to turn this whole number into a fraction. The whole number becomes the numerator over a denominator of 1. The next step, multiply the numerators together. 7 times 12. 7 times 12 is 84. After that, we multiply the denominators together. 4 times 1 is 4. Now we have that optional step. To show the answer as a mixed number, we need to divide the numerator by its denominator. 84 divided by 4. How many 4s in 8? There are 2 4s in 8. How many 4s in 4? There is 1 4 in 4. Therefore, 1 3/4 multiplied by 12 is 21. Here's a second example. 2 2/3 multiplied by 6. Let's go through those steps again. Step 1. Turn this mixed number into an improper fraction by multiplying the denominator by the whole number and adding it to the numerator. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8/3. The next step, we turn this whole number into a fraction. The whole number becomes the numerator over a denominator of 1. Third step, multiply the numerators together. 8 times 6 is 48. After that, we multiply the denominators together. 3 times 1 is 3. If we've been asked to show our answer as a mixed number, we now need to divide the numerator by its denominator. 48 divided by 3. How many 3s in 4? There is 1 3 in 4, and we have 1 left over. How many 3s in 18? There are 6 3s in 18. 2 2/3 multiplied by 6 is 16. Here are 3 calculations for you to have a go at yourself. 2 1/2 multiplied by 4. 1 1/4 multiplied by 8. and 6 2/3 multiplied by 6. You should pause the video now, take time to solve them, and then when you're ready to check your answers, unpause the video. Here come the answers. 2 1/2 multiplied by 4 is 20 halves, or 10. 1 1/4 multiplied by 8 is 40 quarters, or 10. 6 2/3 multiplied by 6 is 120 thirds, or 40. Let's go through those steps one last time. To multiply a mixed number by a whole number, we first need to turn the mixed number into an improper fraction by multiplying the denominator by the whole number and then adding it to the numerator. Step 2. Turn the other whole number into a fraction. The whole number will become the numerator, the denominator will always be 1. Step 3. Multiply the numerators together. Step 4. Multiply the denominators together. Step 5. If you've been asked to show your answer as a mixed or whole number, you should then divide the numerator by the denominator. That is how you can multiply a mixed number by a whole number. Bye for now.